Good morning, everyone. Let me turn on the... It's coming through my mic. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm excited about this morning. Market's moving well. We've been active this morning already. Let me actually... I'm looking for my opportunity this morning. Looking for my 3 indications, right? We got the trading rules that we need to have. I still haven't made the rule graphic to have on the screen while we trade. I still need to make that. But our goal is to make that so we have our rules up as we trade. But guys, happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a great week. I'm actively planning for Singapore. I'm actively planning for what is coming up in the next week to 2 weeks. Man, we got a lot going on. We got the altcoin video that we're editing right now. We got the entire prep and vlog we're already starting to shoot for Singapore. We leave Monday for Singapore. We got to make sure we got all of our stuff. I'm actively trying to find all the events to make sure I'm RSVP'd and stuff like that. Then we got to edit the vlog once it's done, right? Then we're going to go to Singapore and have fun out there. Then we're going to edit the vlog the week after. Hopefully get that done that same week when we get, the next week when we get back. And then literally, hopefully that altcoin video is all done too and then posting. But dude, and then my baby girl, my daughter's coming literally like 2 or 3 weeks after I get back from Singapore. October 14th is when she's due. And dude, I have this next essentially 5 weeks, dude, are gonna be insane for me. Gonna be insane, but good. It's like all good stuff, you know, like it's gonna be absolutely crazy, but like all really good stuff. And so I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm joyful, I'm a little tired. I can't get tired, honestly, because like I've heard with a newborn baby, you know, you just can't let yourself get tired. So I'm not tired, not gonna let myself get there. But man, we got some fun stuff coming up. Oh man, I'm so excited for next week. Singapore is gonna be awesome. I mean, even if say Solana Breakpoint was a flop, I don't think it will be. I think it's gonna be absolutely amazing. But say it was a flop, at least I get to go to Singapore, dude, and like go see Singapore. I know I'm gonna be able to meet some other Solana homies. I've already been chatting with some people, and if you're in the stream right now and you're gonna be in Singapore, I would love to see you there. So hit me up. You can DM me on X, hop in the Discord and at me, be like, yo, I'm gonna be in Singapore. You know, that just gave me an idea. We should have a channel inside the Discord for people who are specifically going to be in Singapore that we can chat in. So if we wanted to meet up or anything, I think I'm going to add that if anyone's going to be in Singapore. But yeah, guys, it's going to be a great day. This morning the market went, and now it's going. So I'm like waiting to see. I'm not quite at my entry spot yet. We're seeing what's going on. I think the chart just made a higher low, and we're tapping the VWAP. So I'm seeing what's going on there. We'll get into that. But also I want to say 20 minutes ago, Alec, if you're watching this, if you're in the live stream right now, Alec, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate that, for your support, subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you are watching this right now, if you're watching from X, if you're watching from TikTok, Twitch, wherever, you know, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on X. Those are my most active platforms that I'm most active on. We also have an Instagram and a TikTok. We are revamping the Instagram. I have the Maniac intern. Actually, he's gonna be completely running the Instagram, and he'll be especially when we're in Singapore, he'll be running that account, start posting on it, and you'll get like pretty active stuff, kind of like on X. You should get some pretty active updates on Instagram now too. So we're gonna start being a little more active on our Instagram also. So yeah, follow us on our socials. If you go to my link tree in my bio, a lot of it's all there. So yeah. Oh, I forgot, we got to talk about this too. Let me open it up in the browser. Where the heck did that just open? Where'd that open? Should be in here. Let me see. Open in browser. There we go. Let's do another one. I got an announcement. I made it on my X and on my Discord. I announced it, but I wanted to do it on the stream too because I'm actually pretty excited. I'm pretty excited about this announcement that we got coming. But we'll get into it. Let's just warm up. You know. Good morning, Fabs. Fabs, you're always the first to chat and say good morning. I love it, dude. I literally love it. You're the best. Good morning, Fabs. I hope you're having a great day. Anyone else watching, good morning. I hope you're having a great day. We're halfway to the weekend. This weekend is jam-packed for me too. I got family coming in tomorrow. They're staying till Sunday. And we got like baby showers going on this weekend. We got I have like my buddy, my friend, he's hooking it up on like, he's doing like a diaper poker thing. It's like a guy baby shower essentially, and we're doing like guy Olympic stuff and like basically having fun, and then we're gambling with like diapers, like we like play poker or whatever, or like whatever else we're doing with like diapers and stuff. So it's kind of fun. So I actually have a baby shower, but it's like a dude one, a dude shower. Wait, no, baby shower but for dudes. I don't know. Man, is there still a stream delay? I've literally tried to take off all the stream delays. I literally went into settings and put everything to 0, took off stream delay. I hope there's no stream delay anymore. I've tried to take it off, but I think like the program might auto stream delay. I don't know. I don't know, kind of all weird. Let's see something. Oh man. All right. That was probably my entry, but I was setting up the stream. All right, guys. Good morning. Hey, Fabs, are you going to be in Singapore? I don't know. I don't remember if I've asked you this yet. I might have already asked you. I have a horrible memory sometimes. I would love to meet Fabs. Fabs is a homie when it comes to the content stuff, and I would love to meet him. Guys, we got into the Iggy Azalea event that is happening in Singapore. Today I'm going out and we'll be looking for my like neon cowboy outfit, whatever you're supposed to wear. But we got into the Iggy Azalea event in Singapore. It's sold out the next day when we were doing it, but we got in. We won the little raffle thing they had going on. I'm excited for it. I talked to Jakey and Steve about it. And they also talked about it at RL Alpha, and it's supposed to be something pretty cool, something pretty awesome. That's what I've heard. All right, guys. No, sir, but I will probably come to the next. Oh, that's right. Aren't you going to Ape Fest? Right? I think we talked about this. You're going to the Ape one. That's right. I remember us talking about this now. Yeah, next year I'm planning on going to a couple more events, like the Bitcoin event. I would love to go to. You know what? I'm gonna add to. I think I'm gonna finally open up a position. Let me. We're about to open a position. Let me show you. Let me show you on the screen. So we got a retest, right? We had this morning pump. This is my new rule, right? The trading rule. I'm not allowed to trade between 7 a.m. and 7:20 a.m. right? I'm not allowed to trade before this. So pretty much anything before that, I'm not allowed to trade, right? So I was doing my TA and everything. Price has respected the 4-hour trend line. If you go here, price has respected this 4-hour trend line very nicely. We had a big red candle down to this. Respected it, bounced off really nicely. Okay, so now we had a big pump. I was expecting here, once the 9 and the 20 started crossing, a lower high to form, like a little correction, but dude, it just ripped. All the way up here, we retested the 50 close, but I'm waiting to see how low this goes to see if we retest the 50 again. I'm probably going to try to enter in on here, because now we have cross of the 9 and the 20, retest on the VWAP, and higher high made, right? These little peaks, we've had a higher high made, higher low made, so kind of confirmation of a bullish move. Maybe I'm going to Ape Fest. Yes, sir. Still unsure. Yeah. Nice, Fabs. I've heard good things about it. Some of the guys at IRL Alpha were actually previous apes too, that they were a part of it. Let's see. They might just now wick off the VWAP here. A VWAP entry wouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna do a small entry here on the VWAP. Small, I'm right on the VWAP, and I'll put my stop loss right below this this peak here, or this low. This will be my first trade of the day, actually. How much are we risking? Remember, we can't risk more than... Okay, we're risking $78 on this. We can't risk more than $200. Let me go down here just in case. I think it's going to retest the 50 again, but we can't risk more than $200 on a trade. We can't lose more than $425 a trade. And we can't, we can't lose more than $425 in a day. And yeah, and we got to wait for 3 indicators, which we have. We have this bullish momentum, higher high, 1, higher low, 2, the 9 and the 20 cross, 3, and a retest on the VWAP, 4. right? So now we need price to kind of hold this VWAP and the 9 and the 20, and then that'll be kind of like our fifth. Actually, now we have like 5 indicators on this for a good bullish indicator, and our goal is $425 profit today. Yeah, dude, price is rejecting right off the VWAP right here. When do we buy a mutant? I need to make more profit before I buy a mutant. I need to make some more profit before I get a mutant. I would love to have a mutant. I would love, I'm not gonna lie, I would love to have an ape to hold it in my portfolio, to be able to have that be a part of my my portfolio in NFTs. I wouldn't mind having an ape. I would like to have a mutant. I don't think I have any Ethereum NFT. Oh yes, I do. Okay dogs. I have okay dogs. That's right. Those are the only Ethereum NFTs I have. I used to have more, but I kind of got rid of them all and just bought more Solana NFTs. Sorry guys, we didn't get to do much TA before I did this trade this morning, but I've been waiting all day for it to, or all morning for it to do this. So I'm hopping in and we'll do some more TA once I'm kind of like done watching this. But yeah, we've entered a trade. You see the P&L on the screen. Oh well, right now the little marketing things, this little marketing thing is going, and then you'll see the P&L on the screen. But I wish you a fast 100k profit. There, you have no excuse anymore. Yeah, what the heck am I doing? Just get it already, right? Just do it. Stupid. I should just do it already. Gosh. Oh, Web, I see you in the chat. I see you join the TikTok stream. What's up, Web? Hope you're having a great morning. Looks like we're holding the 9 right now, actually. That's a good sign. We'll see. How much time we got on this candle? 3 seconds. Yeah, I might actually enter. If this closes above the 9, I'm going to enter a little more here. We're still right around the VWAP. I'm going to try to enter like each candle until we... What are we risking now? Okay, we got to move our stop loss up a little because we're risking too much now. There we go. We're under $200 risk. Okay. Because we got to follow our rule. Not allowed to lose more than $200 in a trade. I think our risk now is like 196. So we're a little under 200. But it looks like right now the price is respecting the 9. I wish I was paying attention. I was setting up stream stuff and whatnot, and I missed this retest down here. This is where I would have entered. So I'm a little bummed. That's sometimes the hardest part about streaming and trading. Is I'm trying to balance a lot, you know, at the same time, and I miss some things because I'm like streaming and trading at the same time. It kind of makes trading a little bit a little bit more difficult, just because you're balancing it all, you know. Oh, and we're looking at for those who are entering, we're looking at Solana USDT. That's the coin we're on. That's the ticker. We're checking out Solana USDT, and we are watching what's going down on the 3-minute time frame. Okay, 3-minute time frame. I'm gonna make a little 3-minute trend line here. Yeah, let's make a little 3-minute trend line here. See how price respects this trend line. See that little trend line, right? Let's see how price respects it. Looks like it's respecting it very nicely. Chef's kiss right now on the charts. But let's see what happens, right? Looks like we're even making a little pennant here. See that? Making a little pennant too. See, did you go long? I did go long, Web. I did go long. I entered right around the VWAP. My entry's like right on this VWAP. Ideally, I was messing around with some stream stuff and like getting things prepared, and I missed the entry on the 50 down here. Ben says, how's your new strategy been going the past few days? The new strategy's been going much better the past few days. Yesterday, I forgot to add it to the Discord, but let me pop it out real fast. But I did add it to my X account. I posted it, but we did hit our goal yesterday. We did hit our goal. Let me find the tweet. We did 3 trades yesterday, and we ended the day at $477 profit, which was a great day. Great day yesterday. Where is it? Where is it? Right here. And there's a picture of, like, you can look into all the transactions I did, the date, time, all of them. I put all the trades I did that day, all the orders I submitted. And yeah, we ended up making $477.26. And so yeah, we're slowly getting better. Like this strategy is getting better every day. Every day I'm getting better. Like this I saw I should have entered here. I just happened to be like, you know, setting up stream stuff, so I missed that. But I would have entered here. That was actually what I've been waiting for this whole time, was to enter on this 50. I would have entered when this candle closed. And so I've been really nailing down this strategy now, and getting pretty good at it and consistently profitable. And now this should run as it's retested the VWAP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Should now give us a good momentum and break this peak over here. Boom. That white line is our previous high, right? And so now we don't even have to look at it because now we got a white line on it. But let's see how this goes. I'll add to my position a little bit more too. Take off some risk also as we move up. Yeah, I'm gonna probably move my stop loss up a little bit to the 50 wick here, so we can add a little bit to our position. Let's add a small amount. I'm gonna wait to see if I get a little bit of red on this candle so it doesn't jump up too far. I don't know. I think I might just add. Yeah, let's just add. I think it's gonna run. I think anything below this red line is kind of a good entry right now, because this should pop off nicely and run at least to this previous peak. But I'm hoping it goes back to yesterday's candle open. So this is yesterday's candle open. This white line is yesterday's candle open. Ben said, very nice. We'll have to follow you on Twitter to keep up. Yeah, dude. Follow on Twitter. Join the Discord too. I'll be better at posting that stuff in Discord too. I should have added it to the Discord. What are we at? Oh, we got to take off some risk. A little bit more. All right. There we go. Let's add a tad bit more. with this little correction. See what happens here. Yeah, follow me on X, follow me on YouTube, or subscribe on YouTube. You can't really follow on YouTube. But yeah, we are very active on, those are my two most active. YouTube and X right now are my two most active. But we're trying to also, I gave the intern the keys to Instagram, so he's also going to start really doing Instagram too. There we go. Another retest on the VWAP. Let's see what it does here. I'm gonna wait till this candle closes. It's hitting that trend line again. All right, last 4 seconds. Looks like it's gonna wick back in. Look at, it's making a higher low there. All right. Oh, let's see. Did it break the trend? Let's see what happened here. We'd ideally want price to hold above this 9. If it starts dropping below the 9, that could be an indication actually we would continue this downward momentum. But I don't, with what happened on the 4 hour, look on this 4 hour, right? Like look at how it respected that trend line, right? You have this 4 hour trend line here. Some higher lows are made, right? Higher low here, wicked off, right back into it. Break of the 4 hour trend. This green line is the bigger 4 hour trend line. Broke that. Retested this line, you know, right? Made some higher high here from this higher lower high. Made a higher high. Made some higher lows. Respected the trend line. I'm seeing bullish momentum. That's why I would be a little surprised if we started going down again. But I'm watching it. And remember, we're minimizing our risk here. So we'll see how it's going. I'm going to put my stop loss. I think that's a good spot actually for it. We'll leave it right there. We're not adding to the position right now because we've kind of maxed out our we're maxed out on our risk, right? Because my rule is I should oh wait, where did that tweet go? I think it's over here. We have our rules, right? There we go. It's breaking back in. We have our trading rules. Let me open it up over here. Let me shrink it down a little bit. Right? We have our trading rules. Right there. Right? These are our trading rules. Right? I did my TA 1 day to the 4 hour to the 1 hour to 15, 5 minute, 3 minute. I did that TA. I didn't trade before 7:20 a.m. I waited. I mean, and you guys just saw me put in my first trade for the day. I waited for the 3 indicators. I currently have 3 indicators, a higher low, right? The retest on the VWAP, right? That's 2. And then the cross on the 9 and the 20, that's 3. Okay, so those are my 3 indications so far for this trade. Now my 4th indicator would be price holding above this 9. Ooh, which it looks like it just rejected off the 9. Let's see. Could have made it just a higher low here. Let's see. I'm gonna delete this little. Let's see, could you go like that? All right. Huh. I would like price to get back above that 9. That'd be a goal here on this trade, or good indication here. But if it keeps rejecting off this 9, I might move my stop loss to the bottom of this low, because that would not be a good indication for my long position. And I would rather lose like $70 than $200. And this candle has 1:50 left. Time to mock the intern. Yes. Go follow the intern. If you haven't followed the intern has an he's a U, a fuzzy D god. It's literally Maniac intern. That's his handle on X. Looks like 2 on this. Let me move this around. Let's see how we have this lower high made, and now that on this little consolidation area. Okay, I'm liking that. See how I made this lower high, right? Now we need a higher high, right? We need a higher high. We need to break this little peak too here. Oh. There we go. Price is now above the 9 again. And the VWAP. Price is now above the 9 and the VWAP. Good indications. Now, but we need the candle to close, right? And it did. Closed above the 9 and the VWAP. Let's see. I'm going to add a little bit to this. And I'm going to move my stop loss up. Waiting for price to go down. I want price to like go back down to the VWAP real fast before I enter. So then I can hopefully move my... There we go. Entry down a little bit. Oh, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Retest that line. All right, we'll do that. Ah, barely moved it. What is our risk? Okay, let's move it up. Let's see what it is there. There we go. We're good. We're in our risk rule, right? It's rejecting off the 9. Perfect. That's what we want. Gave him a follow. Let's go, Fabs. I think I saw that. I think I told him, I was like, you need to follow Fabs. Fabs is the guy. Fabs is the guy. Ooh. Oh, we also forgot to put our TP. That was one of our other rules too. Let's put a TP. I think this white line is a good TP area. 133.09. Where is my... There it is. Let's see what that would give us. 133.09. Just short of our daily goal of 339.67. Okay. That would give us almost $400 profit. I'm comfortable doing that. So our TP is right here at this previous peak. Okay. And if we can add to our position a little bit more, we might be able to do today's goal in one trade. We might be able to hit today's goal in one trade. That'd be awesome. Yesterday it took 3 trades. Maybe we can do it today in one trade. And really, if I can get it done in one trade, if this was my only job, right? If trading was my only job I had, I'd be done by... I started around 6:30 a.m. charting and like taking note of the market. And then by 9:30 a.m. or by 10 a.m., done, right? That's a 3.5 hour day. Boom, made my profit, made my goal of the day, and I'm good. Like that's the fun, that's the reality of day trading. If you can get good at it and really take it seriously, it's not as crazy as people think, where it's like you need hours in the charts. I spend hours in the charts right now because I'm learning, right? But once you get good, you don't have to spend hours and hours and hours in the charts just staring at the screen. You maybe need 2 to 3 hours a day, right? 2 to 3 hours a day and you're done. You can literally just have the day to yourself, day to your family, day to your, like my daughter's coming, right? I'd be able to spend the rest of the day with her. I just, that's why I want to do this, because I want to show people the power of day trading. I want to show people that it's a really cool opportunity. Wow, today's stream is doing really well. We're already at 42 viewers, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. We got our live day trading going on. We have our live position open. You can see the P&L on the screen as it's moving, as price is moving. Our entry is basically right where the candle's currently at. That's our entry right now. We're in a long position, and our goal today is hit $425 in daily profit. That's our goal every single day. We cannot risk more than $200 in a trade. Right now, we are risking $182. So we are below our risk tolerance. Let's watch it. Let's see what's going on here. How much time we got? We got 2 minutes in this candle. Not too worried about that. That is a bearish engulfing candle. Not great. Let's see what happens here. You know what? I'm going to do this. What is that risk? 114. Let me zoom in on that. I want it to be right below that wick. Let's look at Heiken Ashi candles real fast. That green wick right there. Yeah. That's like risking $100, I think. Or what's this candle? No, I'd rather risk less. We might get stopped out here, actually. And I'm trying to minimize my risk. That's the goal here. We might actually, if it flips on me on this and the 9 crosses the 20, we might actually have a short opportunity here instead. And I might have been wrong about my long thesis. But I'm watching it right now, because it just broke that little trend line I had. If usually what I found in this strategy that I have, if it does not respect this higher low and breaks that, it usually begins to fall lower. So I want to watch that and see if it wicks back in, or if we actually have a break in this trend. And we have 20 seconds left on this. This might be a break in the trend. We'll see though. We're not jumping to conclusions. That's why I didn't close it. That's why I just moved my stop loss out, because I'd rather lose $100 than $200, right? John said, nah, facts. I've literally got my girlfriend to start trading with me. Let's go, dude. That's dope that you guys trade together. That's really dope that you guys trade together. That's cool. Yeah, trading is a superpower, I think. There we go. Price is holding that 9. You see how it's just like right there. If we can get price to continually hold this 9, that's a good signal. But let's see. Let's see what happens in this candle. And it wicked off the 20 nicely. That's good indication too. Oh, looks like it's failing the 9. All right. See what's going on here. See what the Heiken Ashi looks like. Okay, these candles are weak Heiken Ashi candles, which is good signals, but we'll see. We'll see. Right, you guys can see the screen good. There we go. Hold the 9. All right, hold the 9. That's what we want. I got the new, well, I didn't give it. Actually, I had a friend let me borrow it. And one of my investors, and it's the Elgato prompter. So now right in front of me, the camera's behind you guys, but the chat is on the prompter. So now I just look at the camera and there's the chat in front of me, but I'm looking at the camera. I love it. Let's go. That's really good indication right there. What are we at? 47 seconds. This is good. This is good. Hold that 9. That's good. We like this right here. There we go. Once we get good, if we break this red line up here, this previous peak, I'll probably move up my stop loss. If we break it to the entry point, then we would literally not lose anything. Or maybe if it did happen to touch, it would be like a couple dollars. Gen Z, thank you for the follow. Really appreciate that. Momadur, thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate that. There we go. We broke above the 9. See how it's just holding this 9 right here? See how it's like really, we had this one candle wick under, but price went right back. This candle wicked off the 9. This one's holding. This one's holding the 9. This one looks like it's probably going to hold the 9. That's good indication. If it holds the 9 above the price, that's good. And anything under the 9, right, would be like an entry, which should have been here for us. But it looks like it's holding the 9 nicely. And each of these wicks, right? Like even this big wick is higher than this wick. So like it's making little higher lows every time. There we go. That could have been the final retest on the 9. Let's see. Right, we need this red line broken for a real good confirmation of move up to our TP. Our TP is right there, that white line up there. And this, let's see what this ratio is. I think this is a long position right here. We entered on, I think it was like, which candle did we enter on? Was it this candle? Or no, this candle. Oh wait, no. Here's the low green arrow. Is this candle? Our risk to reward ratio right now. There's our stop loss. And our TP is up here. 3.87. That's not bad. That's a very good ratio right there. If it works out, this should be a pretty good trade. I've been in 549 C since 10 a.m. Been stressing, man. Yeah, long trades like that can be stressful. Welcome in, Spencer. Thanks for chatting with us and hanging out with us this morning. There we go. Like another candle confirmation above the 9, right? Another candle doing it. And currently, if our TP is hit, we make $339. So we'd be about $100 short of our goal, right? Right around $100 short of our goal, which would make the next trade really easy. Like, to make $100 in a trade, very, very easy. Especially after we get this first trade out of the way with a bullish confirmation and a continuation. Now we know our next trade will just be a long. We just got to wait for the right entry, like another retest on the 50, right? Like, I love getting a good profit in the first trade, like a decent one. It might not hit our total TP in one trade. We might have that opportunity here. But if it's able to get a really solid profit, then I only need to make like $100 in the next trade. That's very easy. Makes it very nice. I risk very little. And it's usually, for me, pretty easy. I mean, right now, you look at our TP, or I mean, our P&L, right? We're at $45. And we've barely moved. Now we're at, yeah, $45, right? So, like, this red line could be my TP probably, and that'd be a $100 trade, right? So it's very easy to make a $100 profit. A little bit harder when I'm looking for that $400 profit, $300 profit, right? It's got to move a little bit longer. And right now we're trading with 25x leverage, so we're putting small margin in and a little bit higher leverage, right? So we have that too going for us. I'm going to move my stop loss up a little bit further. I'll move it to the bottom of this wick. Because right now I think we have a good confirmation of continuation in this, and I don't think we make lower lows. We're holding the 9 very nicely, and I'm now risking, if my stop loss was hit, it's losing about $87, right? That we can make back $87. $200 a little harder to make back, right? $86 or $87 easier to make back if our stop loss was hit. Let's see, is price gonna retest the 20 again? I don't think it retests the 20 again. We'll see. I should have done puts and got out, and of course, man. Are you options trading, Spencer? Puts and pulls are options trading, correct? Let's see. Does it retest the 20 again? Yes, sir. Yeah, okay. I've never done options trading. I have a friend who does it. I have a friend who does options trading. But I don't know why. It's like hard for my brain to understand it. I don't know why I struggle to understand it. I'm on Robinhood, unfortunately. Oh, okay. I think that's where my buddy does it too, on Robinhood. I would love this candle again to hold the 9. There we go. I love it. But we still got time in this candle, right? We got like 2 minutes left. Really, I don't get excited about a candle doing what I want until it's like the last 10 seconds. Because you guys have seen it on stream. On these 3-minute candles, really the last 10 seconds is what matters. Because we've seen big red candles go green in 10 seconds. So I don't really get excited until it's like the last 10 seconds. Ooh. Let's see. All right, 130. Let's see what happens here. I've heard Weeble's pretty good. I don't use Weeble because I do all my stuff on BLOFIN. I do futures trading, so it's a little different. But I've heard really good things about Weeble. I've heard really good things about it. Let's see, what are we at? Last minute. Okay, now we're starting to see more. In this last minute, you should see kind of what is this candle going to do. You start getting a little bit more. Are we going to go red or green? But it should. Currently, with the way the candle looks, my guess is we'll stay green. Oh, I don't know. See? We're 45 seconds out. Really, 30 seconds. Yeah, see, look at that. See? 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. No way. Is it going to drop below the 9? That sucks. See? We have 30 seconds left. This is where you really see what is the candle going to do. See 20. Let me, why does it do this every time? Oh wait, hang on. I don't want to block it. After this candle closes. All right, 15 seconds. See, look at that. You think it's going to be good. You're like, oh, it's green. Yay. Really? It's the last 10 seconds, 7 seconds. Now you see. Yeah. It might go under the 9. Wow. See. Okay, let me make this bigger so I'm not squinting so much. And you guys can read it better. Let's see. I think we might retest the 20 again. We'll see. Move it over so you guys can see. But canvas. Let's make these a little bigger. There you go. Now you probably can see the timer a little better over here. Let's see what happens, right? We might retest the 20 here and then go back up, but we'll find out. It was holding the 9 very well. Now it broke it. Okay, that's good demand. Good demand off that 20 right there. There's some yeah, see that 20 had some really good demand. As soon as it tapped the 20, it just wicked off. Watching volume 2 here, seeing what volume is doing. We're waiting for a good volume spike, and that would probably push it pretty nice. We haven't had really any really good volume spikes here in these candles. See how these volume is pretty low right now. We need a good volume spike. All right, minute 20. What's up, Tristan? Good morning. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a good day. Currently in a long position. You guys see the P&L on the screen. We're currently risking, if our stop loss was hit, we would lose $87, and our goal is to hit this white line at the top of the screen. That was a previous peak over to the left of the chart. And if we hit our peak, we'd make about $340, just under. But our daily profit goal is $425. So we'd be pretty close to our goal if this trade works out like we wanted to. But we're watching it right now. I think this candle would be a pretty pivotal candle on indication of whether we're going lower or higher. Because this is now the third retest, or third to fourth retest on the 20. So last 18 seconds, right? See how it changes super quickly, right? You think in the beginning of that candle, if you're like allowing the candle to tell you, you would think, oh man, it's to retesting 20. We're probably going lower, but it really is the last 10 seconds. 2 seconds left. Let's see. Is it going to close? Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Because that's the, let's see how many times it's retested 20 now. 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. It's retested 20. And every single one has been a red candle. And this is the first retest on the 20 that's a green candle. You see that? Or really, I think that's actually the third retest. I don't think this candle touches it on here, but 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candles, and this is the first green candle that retested it. Now we need volume. This down on the bottom of the screen, right? That volume indicator, we need a good, nice volume bar to come in. Let's get our TP in the picture. There we go. Looking good so far. It's looking good, especially right now with this candle currently. We'll see what this candle. Usually when you see the momentum hit, it like is a $2 candle. Like all of a sudden it's just $2 swing in one candle, and then you know you're good. And right now this candle's up very nicely. Let's see what happens. Remember, it's not really until the last 10 seconds. And this green line here, This green line is what is this green line again? Is that my 4-hour trend line? Yeah. Is it my 4-hour trend line? No. That's not my 4-hour. What is this green line? I think it might be the 4-hour or the weekly. I don't remember now. I don't want to move the screen yet. I think this might be my 4-hour trend line. This green line here. We'll see. I don't think so, though. All right. 50 seconds. Okay, now we're getting... When you get into the last seconds of it, you kind of see, right? So it's really playing around. Come on, Bulls. Love the channel, bro. How much are you usually risking to try for $425? So one of my rules, is I can never risk more than $200 in a trade. So say if my stop loss was hit, I can never lose more than $200. So like it might take me 2 to 3 trades to hit my daily goal of $425. But like today, it looks like if this trade plays out like we want it to, it would take about 2 trades. Yeah, we never risk more. That's our rule. We have trading rules for ourselves, and I want to move on to that once we get momentums on this trade to show you guys and go over our rules that we made on Monday. We made all the rules on Monday. Oh, that's really good. I'm excited for this candle. Yeah, that's good. This is a good candle here. But yeah, we can never risk more than $200. Right now, we're only risking $87, right? So that fluctuates, but our max we can ever lose in a trade is $200. And in a day, we can never lose more than $425. That's some of my rules. Beautiful, guys. Look at this. It's playing out how we want it to. Perfect. This is good. Now we want price to close above this red line. If price closes above this, if this candle closes above the red line, I'll probably move my stop loss up to the bottom of this green wick right here. This green wick here. Nice. See the volume coming in on the bottom of the screen? Let's move. See this volume right here? It's coming in. That's good. That's good for us. There we go. I think this candle is going to break up and close above this red now. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect, guys. Okay, remember, we're about to hit the minute mark. So we got about 50 seconds left until we really start seeing what is going to happen with this candle. Those last 10 seconds, I'm telling you, are killer. Like, it's crazy what happens in those last 10 seconds of these 3-minute candles. But this momentum with that volume spike on the bottom of the screen, I'm not really worried now. I think we got the final confirmation. And see the steepness of this 9 EMA? Pretty good. Pretty good. 30 seconds. Let's see if it closes above that red line. If price right now closes above this red line, I'm very bullish. I think our TP will for sure get hit if it closes above that red line on this candle. Could be the next one though. If it doesn't close above, it doesn't mean that it's a bad trade, right? Like we're getting the momentum we want. All right, 8 seconds. 4 seconds. Let's see. Wow, see, look at that. Still above the 9 though. See how crazy the last 10 seconds are, dude? So crazy, man. The last 10 seconds. Thanks, man. What time of day you prefer to trade lately? I prefer in the morning time. I try to get my trades done in the morning time, so then I have just the rest of the day to like, I have my IRL job, and then also I like to do video editing, all the video content we do, the Singapore prep we're doing right now for next week. Yeah, so I like to try to trade in the beginning of the day and just get that stuff out of the way, and just get it over with and done. So then I can just focus on my other tasks that I got to do. That's usually my goal. So for me, I'm Pacific Standard Time, PST. I'm usually up at 6:30 at the charts. Not allowed to trade before 7:20 a.m. because the market opens right around then. And then I usually try to be done trading by 11 a.m. now. That's kind of like my new rhythm. Especially unless I haven't hit my trading goal, right? Then I'll stick around or look for trade opportunities later in the day. But I try to hopefully hit the trading goal before 11 a.m. Which our trading goal is $425 Nathan, thank you so much for the follow. We got another follower. Corrections? Thank you so much for the follow. Sorry if I butchered that name. All right, 47 seconds on this candle, right? Let's see. Let's see what happens here. I really wanted to just close above that red line. It broke that high, though. That's good. Made a higher high. And it's been making higher lows. So that's all bullish confirmation. All right, we're at the 15-second mark. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this goes green. Right, it's so crazy. 7 seconds, let's see. Might be a red candle. As long as it's above the 9, we're good. Oh, there we go. It's above the 9. At least we're locked in profit now. Let me move this up. I just realized it wasn't at my entry. So actually our R to R on this trade would be 3.24. So like a 3-to-1 ratio. That's a pretty solid trade. A 3-to-1 is a great trade. Usually your people are shooting for like a 2-to-1. Right? All right. I'm excited. Now we're locked in profit. It has barely dropped below our entry area now. That last candle did a barely, but it's pretty good. I'm excited. And I'm excited that hopefully we have a winning trade on stream, right? That's fun. I wish there was like a stream meter that it could auto populate like when I make profit, and then like it auto like it's like a fill meter, right? Like our goal is $425 in the stream. And if I take profit, it like auto populates like what I earned and then how close we are to the goal. That's a fun little, I should figure out how to make something like that. I might have to manually do it though if I did it. Okay. Here's good bullish momentum again, but you know, you can't wait until the last 10 seconds and it might go all the way down again. But this could be the candle that breaks the red and closes. This momentum hasn't shrunk in these last seconds. Right? But let's see. There we go. There we go. All right, we're at 40 seconds. Close above that red line. Come on. Close above. Just That's all I ask. I'm asking nicely. I'm being respectful, you know, to the charts. That's what you got to do sometimes. You just got to be respectful, and it likes that. There we go. New high broke. There we go. Perfect. But it's not the last 10 seconds. It's not the last 10 seconds. We're almost there. We're at 15 seconds. Look at that. You think it's going to break out, right? You think it's going to do what you want. Last 10 seconds. Here we go. We're in it. Let's see. Does it close above that red line? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. That's good. I'm going to move my stop loss up now to this green one. Beautiful. Now we're good. I think we're hitting our TP now. Yeah, I'm actually going to move it up to my break even now. Actually, this red wick. We're risking a whopping $7. Beautiful. Here we go. TP should be imminent on this trade. TP is this white line up here, okay? And this is, just so everyone knows, this isn't like demo trading, okay? This is actual funds that I have, all my funds, and like you see the P&L on the screen. It's live. It's on BLOFIN, and if this trade closes, I'll get into the new update I have for this account that I'm really excited to share with you all. But this TP should be pretty imminent now, because there's now, see this gap, see these let me show you. See all these candles over here? There's all this space now, and the only next resistance point would be this previous high. So TP now should be pretty much guaranteed on this trade. This red line was the key indicator of like, would this actually hit our TP? Now I'm pretty confident we're guaranteed to make TP up here and retest this peak. Looks like my TP is actually right off the white line. There we go. So $334 is what we'd make on this trade if it hits our TP right now. And I think if we get good momentum and start moving up, I'll probably move my TP up to this red line. I think that locks in about $100 in profit. Right? What is our current P&L? What is it? 134? Yeah, it'd be about $100 in profit we'd earn if we are able to move it up to that red line. Anything I'm missing? Nope. Let's see, guys. What do you think? Put it in the chat right now. Give me a W if you think we're hitting TP, or get me an L if you think we're not hitting TP. You're like, nah, we're going to get stopped out, or not stopped out, but it's not going to hit your TP. What do you guys think? You think I made the right decision here? Massive W. Let's go, Spencer. He believes in me. Let's go. All right, 4 seconds left. It's good. We're holding that red line. Wow. See, it's so weird. You think it's like going to just keep going. And then the last 10 seconds always will be like, nah, you thought. You thought. Right? So stupid. Those last 10 seconds. And it's very important for those watching, if you're trying to like learn my strategy or learn the way I trade, it's very important on this 3-minute time frame to let the candle close. It's very important. Like you're seeing right now on my screen, this candle, this previous candle, right, was green all the way up to here. The last 10 seconds and went all the way down to there, right? That's a massive change. If that was below this red line, right, that could indicate we're not going higher. And so it's very important in this 3-minute time frame, let the candle close before you start making decisions, because I've seen it flip very quickly on this 3-minute time frame. So that's an important thing to remember. All right, I think if this current candle closes like this really big green like this, I might move my stop loss up a little bit higher. I might move it into profit. Not all the way up to this red line yet, but probably like right in this area. and we'll see how that goes. Or we might just hit TP. I don't know. We might just hit TP on this candle. Wouldn't that be nice? Just be done. Let's see. What is that gap right now? From the current red line is 132.1. It's like a less than $1 swing. We might actually hit TP right now. TP is right at that white line. It's just right like a centimeter underneath it, because like moving this thing around is like hard to get it right on the white line. We have 47 seconds. Let's see what happens in this candle. I'm kind of hoping this candle closes with like almost no wick at the top. That'd be a pretty bullish candle. Volume is very nice. If this candle closes this large, I'll move my stop loss up to the red line. See, look at that. Look at that. It's so crazy. We're almost to the last 10 seconds. We're at 15 seconds right now. Let's see. 7, 6. I'm telling you guys, the 10 seconds are crazy, dude. It's crazy. I'm gonna move it up. We locked in $54. If price dropped below the red again and dropped to this area, we would gain $54. But let's see. If we retest this red line, I might actually try to add a little bit to my position to maybe see if we can get this to like $400 profit. Thank you, Spencer. He said, I'm watching this for my calls. Very good chart. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. It's taken a lot of time to honestly get this good at it. It's a lot of discipline. But you guys can do it too. That's the goal of the stream, is like show you. I'm just an average Joe guy. I'm not some trader who's been doing this for 15 years. Like, I've only been trading like with my actual real own fund since like March of this year, April of this year. And I started paper trading and learning day trading like really consistently. Like, I've been trading for over 4 years in regards to like different kinds of assets and like spot trading. But like taking day trading, like this kind of day trading seriously, has been since January of this year. And so I'm not some expert. My goal is to show you that you can do this. I'm an average guy that is trying to learn day trading and hopefully changing my life. And my goal is to show you like you can do it too. You could help change your life too. You don't need to be anyone special, or like, I mean, I think you guys all are special. Like you guys are amazing people, and anybody can do it. So that's the goal of this stream, like showing you if you are diligent, willing to put in the time, willing to really learn, it's worth it. I'm going to move my stop loss up to this red line now. Actually, the bottom of this green one, this green candle. So now we've locked in $125 profit. I would not be mad if my stop loss was hit, right? I mean, it would suck if we didn't hit our TP, right? That would be a bummer. But at least we've locked in $125 in profit towards our goal of $425 in the day, right? That's nice progress. And the first trade of the day, this is our first trade of the day, is a winning trade, right? It's always the best to start the day off with a winning trade. It just gives you confidence, like gives you confirmation of like, hey, my strategy's working. You're being smart. You're waiting for the right confirmations, right? And gives you confidence into that next trade, right? Do rinse and repeat. Now, as this momentum is starting to slow, I'll probably put I'll probably be creeping this up pretty tight. Let me actually go to Heiken Ashi on this 3-minute time frame, and we'll follow that. We'll put it right below this candle, right? I like to base my stop losses when we're really trailing a trade off the Heiken Ashi. And I put it at the bottom of the previous candle close. Especially as I'm getting like really, really tight stop losses and like really trying to lock in profits. And now we're back to normal candles, okay? Christopher, thank you so much for the follow. I really appreciate that, homie. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful. And I hope you're learning something. If you guys also want, if you want to hop in my Discord, it's not a paid Discord. I'm not going to like charge you some subscription fee. There is a subscription option, but it's literally if you want to help support me and my content. Like the subscription helps me do more for my community, do more for my audience. I'm able to now hire a video editor and a videographer with the trading that I'm doing. And I'm hoping to even potentially grow my team even further with some of the revenue we bring in. But the Discord that we have is completely free. Hop in the Discord. I do Morning Maniac TA Tuesday, Thursdays, which is a private event just for my community. Basically just like the live stream, but you guys can hop in the VC and like chat with me. Turn on your mic. You can talk with me. You can share your screen. We'll analyze your charts, right? And I'll give you my tips. And we can work together to become better traders. So that's really the goal of the Discord. Get in a Discord with like-minded people, and we build and grow each other up to become better across the board. Ben, is a 3-minute your favorite time frame? Yes, right now my 3-minute is my favorite time frame. I love the 3-minute. Like, cause like I can make a trade. This trade took from this time, right? Is our first entry was at 9:09, right? And we're at now 10 a.m. So it's taking about, I don't know, hour, a little over an hour, and I'm almost done for the day. Right? Like I like the 3-minute. I like the lower time frames because I can be in and out of a trade within an hour, hour and a half, and I'm done for the day. Yeah, I mean, I'm not done yet. We would have to make one more good trade. But yeah, I like the 3-minute time frame. And if Beard's watching, I got to thank him. He really put me on the 3-minute time frame. Beard's one of my homies. I think he's in the Discord. I don't know if he's actually joined the Discord yet. I'm waiting for this 3-minute candle to close, and I'll move my stop loss up to the bottom of this Heiken Ashi candle. There we go. Move it. Now we've locked in. I think we're in the $200 profit. Ooh, just short. 172. But TP is getting very close, guys. You see that? We're very close. I would be really bummed if we get just short of it. Like if it wicks and doesn't just barely misses it, I'd be kind of bummed if that happens. We'll see though. Usually when I put my TP right at the previous wick of the previous high, it like hits it nicely. But we'll see. Looks like momentum's kind of slowing, but the Heiken Ashi candles are actually looking strong. Heiken Ashi candles are good indicators of like, is the momentum continuing? And it looks like it is. When you start getting the double wicks, like when these Heiken Ashi candles start getting double wicks, you're like, okay, momentum is definitely slowing now. But right now we still have single wick candles. Good indication of momentum. I think we hit TP soon. Could be this candle, actually. Holy SPY recovery. Did SPY just have a little pump? James, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. I hope you're getting some value out of this. I would love it if this candle hit TP right now. Just get it done and over with, you know, and then we reassess, wait for a little relief and correction, and then enter for that final trade of the. We'll need about $100. Oh, nice. We got some Twitch activity. Let's go. Good morning, Beard. Hey, Beard. Beard showed up on the Twitch. Let's go, dude. Hope you're having a great day, Beard. Oh, looks like we might have a bearish engulfing candle here. Let me move my stop loss up because we got a new. Oh, we didn't get a new candle yet. Matt, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate it. Oh, see, we're getting double wicks. See this double wick right here forming on this green Heiken Ashi candle? Shows kind of a slow of momentum. We'll see what happens here. See what happens. How much time we got? 40 seconds left. All right, let's see. Oh, there it goes. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. It's telling me, Soul Maniac, we want to get you that TP. It wants me to hit it. I might put my TP a little lower now. I'm going to put it like right at the top of the body of the previous high. And that would lock us in $300 in profit. I don't know. I'm going to have confidence. I'm going to have confidence where it previously was. I'm going to have confidence in it. 5 seconds. Let's see. Do we get a bearish engulfing candle here? All right. Let's see what happens. Do we get stopped out here? Let's see if we get stopped out here. I'm going to leave my stop loss where it is right now because right now there's some... Price got to figure out some things. Let's figure out what we got to do here. If we got stopped out, we got 172 in profit. My TP is 133.25. Okay, yours is a little higher than mine, Beard. Mine's 133.07 right now. I might want to give actually some... I'm going to give some... Let me move it down actually because I think we're going to have... I'm actually going to let it play out a little further. I'm actually going to let it play out. Because I think we're going to have a little bit, right? Usually if you look over here, right? Watch. Let me show you my example I'm talking about right now. Let me put it down as red line as I explained, just so I can pay attention. But usually when we have like a good, strong momentum, right? Good, strong momentum, price likes to play around a little bit and then continue on. And it likes to test the 9, right? The 9-day moving average. So it looks like we're about to hit the 9-day moving average. And actually probably a good spot to put my TP would be here. I like it where it's at. That red line's a good one. We're still locked in over $100 in profit if it hits TP. But I want to give it a little bit more space. I've learned that in the past. Don't put TP so tight. Let it do something. See how it's like it needed to touch the 9 real fast. Last minute. Once it's done playing around with retests on the 9, then I'll move it up again. I'm going to put it here for right now. It shouldn't hit that. That's 125 in profit if it hits my stop loss right now. Let me let it mess around with the 9. It likes to mess around with the 9-day moving average after a good, nice pump. Let me see too. This correction, can I add a little bit? Yeah, let's add a little. I'm adding a little to my position on this like a little correction. Just hopping my entry up a tiny bit. I didn't add a lot. I only added like $1,000. Now, if our TP hit, we would make $359. Let's add a little more on this. Now it's nice. It's moving nicely again off that 9 retest. Wait, what? How did my TP go down? 343? I thought we were at 359. There we go. See, nice little retest on the 9. And now I'll move my stop loss once I get good momentum off the 9 to where it retested the 9. Actually, 133.25 might be my TP on this chart. Oh, yeah. I forget that BLOFIN is like a little lower. For some reason, the BLOFIN charts are like 10 cents lower than like Coinbase charts. So I'm actually probably at about the same TP as you, Beard. Just the BLOFIN charts are like a little different in regards to the value where the charts are. It's usually like 10 to 20 cents less. That's what I found from my Coinbase chart over here. I'm adding a little bit to these little corrections just to allow my TP to be valued more if it does. And then my stop loss is still... Oh, we're getting close to that stop loss. Let's see. I'm hoping it wicks off that 9. I'm really hoping we don't hit that stop loss. I want to hit the TP, not my stop loss. There we go. Last 28 seconds. Let's see. Remember, these last 10 seconds are pretty volatile for the candles. It either is going to push. Might wick to the 20. Yeah, if it does, I'll probably just reassess my entry if it wicks to 20. Oh, we're close. We're close. Oh my gosh. Oh, it hit. It hit. Okay, we got 120. Retested this. Let's see. We just secured, let's see. Okay, after fees, it's $112.63. Okay, let's write that down. Okay. All right, so we need to now make this is our profit goal now for the rest. Can you guys see that? $312.37. Okay, that's to make the rest of the day. That's our goal. So let's see what price does here. If it does end up wicking off the 20. So I'm going to move this over. That was that trade. Okay. Let's see what happens here. See if we can. And one of my rules too, let me go over my rules real fast so I can show you guys. One of my rules too is before, no, where is it? Oh, I don't have that as a rule. I probably should. But I'm not allowed to like just enter a trade right away, right? We just closed out a trade. I can't just right now enter a trade, right? I need to be patient, okay? Reassess, wait for the right indications, right? Which we've had good indications so far on this move. And I gotta wait, right? I gotta be a little patient. Don't just rush into trades. That's something too. If you're still learning how to trade, being patient, not just rushing into trades after a trade closes. That's when you can easily start getting on a losing streak, right? But these are my trading rules. These are my trading rules right here. Okay, do my TA, right? Only allow 5 trades per day. So we've done 1 trade so far today. If I lose 3 in a row, I'm done for the day. Need to wait for 3 indicator confirmations before entering a trade. We did that for the last one. Every trade needs a stop loss and a TP. We had that. Only allowed to trade SOL USDT. Okay, I'm only, as I'm learning, allowed to trade 1 asset. Before entering a trade, know the entry and target and exit, and I did. My goal was the 50. I missed that, but so then I reassessed my entry, and then my exit, our goal was up here on the white line, which looks like price is starting to move towards that. And then risk per trade, never more than $200, right? The risk per trade can never be more than $200. And then we cannot lose more than $425 in a day. Okay. And I can never trade more than 25x leverage. Those are my rules, right? And so our profit goal, $425. With these rules, this is our goal, right? And we're now $112.63 closer to that goal. As I'm allowing the reset, right? I can't rush into a trade right away. I'll probably wait until we break this white line and see a retest on a 50 probably is probably when I'd wait again. I have some updates I want to share with you guys that I'm pretty excited about. And so first this. BLOFIN affiliate. I'm officially a BLOFIN affiliate. Jason at BLOFIN reached out to me and was like, hey man, I would love to chat with you and get you on board. Let's get this working. We got it done. I think it was Monday or Tuesday. Was it Monday or Tuesday? Monday. I think we did it Monday. And he got me all hooked up and now I'm officially an affiliate with BLOFIN. So if you use the link in my bio, you can use my affiliate link. You can earn up to, this is the deal that I have right now with my affiliate. So if any of you use my affiliate link, you can claim up to $300 in deposit bonuses. So if you deposit more than $100, you get 15, more than 500, you get $75. More than $1,000, you get $150. And then if you deposit more than $2,000 in your futures, you get $300 bonus. So yeah, and this is good until the 16th. So until next Monday, I think that is, this is good for. So if you would like to use my affiliate link in my bio, or you can just use my code SOUL, capital, it's literally this, SOUL Maniac, right? This right here, capital SOL Maniac is also my code. And then also, if you're in the Discord, and if you would like to be a sub-affiliate of mine, you are more than welcome to reach out and we can kind of assess how you would like to be a sub-affiliate and ways that maybe you'd like to do and see if you'd be a good fit. And we would love to allow you guys to also earn alongside of us with people that we're allowing to sign up with BLOFIN. I personally love this exchange. I'm super excited about it. I'm enjoying it. I've been able to chat with some of the people at BLOFIN, super nice people. And so, yeah, I'm hoping to actually even meet some of them in Singapore next week. So, yeah, BLOFIN affiliate. We've officially got our first affiliation on stream and it's with BLOFIN and I'm excited. I really like their exchange. Pretty happy with it. Beard was just saying, there will always be more trades with better setups. Yep, always another trade. Like if you're trading, if you're a day trader and you're like worried about, man, I might miss the pump or might miss this or that. There's always another setup. There's always another trade. There's always another opportunity. The market never fails to present opportunities. Never, ever fails to give you an opportunity. You just got to be watching. You got to be diligent. You got to be patient, right? That's a good one. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, not missing anything. Okay, nice, dude. Guys, we're at 85 viewers this morning. That's absolutely killer, dude. We're almost at 100 viewers. Thank you, everyone. If you're watching the stream from wherever you are, if you're on Twitch, if you're on YouTube, X, or TikTok, please give this stream a share. Give this stream a like. Follow us on X, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, whatever you prefer. Follow us on it. And we're always going to be active and actively trading, actively creating content. And we got a couple big weeks coming up. We got an altcoin video coming out, our top 5 altcoins. And we got a Singapore Solana Breakpoint vlog coming out by the end of September. So I'm very excited for all the content we got coming that we've been cooking up. So yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting and watching and being here. Also, if you're not aware, let me get over. If you're not aware, hop in our Discord. Okay, we got tomorrow morning event, the Morning Maniac TA at 7:30 a.m. Okay, where we do essentially what we're doing on the live stream. We live trade, we live technical analysis on the charts. And the better thing about this Morning Maniac TA is that if you come, you can hop in the voice chat, you can share your screen, you can share pictures. If you don't want to use your voice. You can chat in the text box that's in the VC. But it's basically, I've tried to create this server that's a free server that is a space that like-minded people can come together, and it's iron sharpens iron, right? It's a space and a place where we can grow and help each other become better traders, and a place where you have 24/7 access pretty much to me. You can at me in there and ask questions, you know, ask for tips, ask for like, what am I looking for in the morning? I hang out in there. If you ever want to just ask me to jump in a VC, if I'm available, I'll try to hop in a VC with you. Like, it's just a space where we can hang out. Or if there's also other traders in there that have been helpful in regards to chatting, giving people good insights. So it's not just me. It's also you guys in the Discord that are also just as valuable. And so, yeah, thank you everyone for being a part. And yeah, hop in the Discord. We're at now 72 members in the Discord. Like, I honestly didn't think it was gonna grow this quickly. I didn't think it was gonna grow that quickly, but it's been awesome. So hop in the Discord. Oh wow. Are we gonna retest the 50 maybe? This is honestly going lower than I expected. I'm glad I put my TP where I had it. I think my music stopped working. There we go. It's back on. There you go. Now the music's back. I don't know why it does that. And it also will notify me if someone subscribes or something. It like makes a noise. Yeah, we might retest the 50 right now. This is going way deeper than I expected. Usually on a pump like this, oh, I guess a 50 retest wouldn't be too shocking. Tested for 50 here, tested the 20, then had a nice pump. I don't know. We'll watch it. We'll watch what happens. And also watching the 9 and the 20. If these cross, we could either see some consolidation happening or a dive. But I think we're in a good bull momentum. I don't think I'm gonna take shorts right now. I was listening to a podcast and he made a good point. He said, if you're trading against the trend, it's like one man going up against an army. If you're in a bull trend and you try to take shorts, you're one man trying to go up against a lot of money that's going the opposite direction. And that put some good mindset into my head of like, all right, if I'm going against the trend, it's me going up against a lot of money that's going the opposite direction. And I think right now we're in a bullish momentum. We've made higher highs, we made higher lows, which is all confirmation of bullish momentum. What is this green line? This green line is bugging me why I don't remember what it is. I think it's the 4 hour. It's gotta be. Yeah, that's what it is. It's this trend line on the 4 hour. So I got 2 4 hour trend lines, right? We got this one. I gotta fix these. Got this 4 hour trend line. And then also this 4 hour trend from this low to this peak. Right? That's what that is. I knew it was the 4 hour. Let's go back down to 3 minute. So this trend line could actually be pretty pivotal right now and a point of resistance or support for us. Is my mic picking up the music at all? Let me know. I have a little speaker here playing the music so I can hear it too, but if it's picking up and like doing double reruns of the music, I don't want you guys to get annoying sounds. Let me know if it's not very good. I could turn it lower. Let's do this too, so remember what this is. There we go. Okay. So this is the first trade of the day, so we can just kind of remember. And let me put an arrow. So like this. Oh. Okay, let's see where our second trade is. I think we might be getting a trade set up here, but we'll see. I want to wait and be a little more patient to see what is going to go on in this. It looks like maybe consolidation might happen here in this area. Because if we retest the 50, that could be a good opportunity. Let me reach out to a friend first. Oh, and real fast, I forgot to also mention, I wanted to show you guys the new homie that you could go follow on X too. We'll make sure we can, we'll make sure we can still see the trade. Right here, this is the, I gotta get him premium. The intern. If you want to go follow the intern, this is our new intern, the videographer, the video editor that's on my team. The intern will be going to Singapore with me. Go like some of his tweets. Oh, he did a good morning one. Let's go. Go tell him good morning. Right? He's with me. He's in the trenches. He's learning crypto. I'm teaching him crypto. He's got the fuzzy U, right? I gave him that U to rep. So yeah, go show the Maniac intern some love on X. Newest member to our team. Let's see what's going down. What you doing, Price? Let's see. This could have been a little correction for an entry. And it's retesting that previous high here. We might have to wait for better trade later on today. Oh, where's my VWAP? Where's the VWAP? Why is it not showing? Where's the VWAP? There it is. See what the price does on this 4-hour trend line that I have. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna wait. I don't have, remember my rule, I need 3 indicators. I really don't have my 3 indicators, right? One of the indicators could be prices above the 9, but volume, it's not very high right now. The 9 and the 20 are above. That's an indication, but I usually like to wait to get my entries right as they're crossing, not when they're already holding, you know? So I might have to wait until later today to get a better entry. See how long it takes, or maybe a retest on the 50 or the VWAP, but at least we're profitable so far for the day, right? We've already made 112 bucks. And you can't complain about that, right? I mean, yesterday we made 477. So for the day, we're actually ahead already. Oh, the intern's actually in the live stream right now. He just said, hey, intern. Good morning. Hey, yo, intern, where's my coffee, though? Where's my coffee, yo, man? I'm thirsty. I'm a little parched. I'm just kidding. Just messing. I'm just messing. I love the intern. He's awesome. He's been in the stream, actually, a couple times. Hey, guys. I'm supposed to pay the intern this Friday. Should I gamble his paycheck on a meme coin or give him his money? We were making that joke on Monday. Should I just put it on like some random meme coin on Pumped Up Fun or give him his money? That's funny. Line so long, bro. Hey, intern. It'll be late, lol. All right, looks like this trade's got some more to play out with. Intern's actually, he's probably just, oh no, he's still got like another hour in school. He's in college. He's in college studying. I'm just kind of interested to see if our TP would actually get hit. Me and the intern have to get neon like cowboy outfits for the Iggy Azalea event. It's funny. We're gonna be dressed up all little goons. We made it into the event. Yo, we might hit 100 viewers today. I think that would be our first Wednesday with 100 live viewers. Wednesdays are usually my slow day, which is kind of crazy. I love it, dude. 91 viewers right now. Let's go. Y'all are amazing. Like and share the stream if you can. I really appreciate it. Any engagement's helpful. Also, hop in our Discord where we have a trading community of day traders, NFT investors, meme coin investors, people who just want to learn and be a part, right? It's just a part of my audience, completely free. So hop in that Discord. All the important links are in my bio, right? I'm now a BLOFIN, affiliate. So if you would like to take part in my BLOFIN affiliation and trade on this exchange that you see currently on my screen, this is BLOFIN. Go use that affiliate link. Hop in there. And if you are in the Discord and you would like to be a sub affiliate and you would like to potentially earn and invite people into BLOFIN and earn also better than just referring people, let me know. At me And I would love to get talking with some of you guys if you'd like to be a sub affiliate. Let's see. Yo, we might actually hit my TP area. That's honestly, when we hit this TP area, that'd be probably where the most ideal setup will come for the next trade. But we already, for those that are joining in, we've already made $112 with this trade right here. So our goal was this white line, but our profit only got to this candle right here, and our stop loss was hit on this correction. So we made $112 off that. And our goal for the day is $425. So we might have to do 1 to 2 more trades to hit our goal today. Yeah, dude. Oh, let's see. Will it hit the white line? Would be like 100% for me. Yeah. Yeah. I think we're about to hit the white line. Which that's a good thing to take note of for next trade. That, all right, when we get a good pump, maybe exit on this pump, wait for the retest on the 20, enter again, and then, you know, ride it up again. So that's good for next time. Usually I wait for the 50, but that's something I'm going to take note for future trades, that maybe this is a trend that continues to happen, but I'm going to keep note of that for future. It's very close to our white line. The thing that makes me excited is if it does hit my white line, I know I was correct, right? Even though maybe we don't have a trade open to hit the white line, but like it's like another confirmation that I was right. I assessed that all correctly. And so it's important, I think, if you're someone who's learning how to trade, you're entering this, it's like important not to get upset with yourself that, man, I missed out on this profit, but it should be exciting for you to say, all right, I assessed that trade right. Let's do it better next time, right? Like that should be exciting for you, not something that frustrates you. And look at it. Yep, we would have hit. That's so good. That's like, I was right. Bummer that the trade's not in, right? Bummer that we got stopped out, but that's okay. Now, how can we make this a little better for our next trade, that we don't maybe do that same mistake, right? We could have kept our, even if we put our stop loss at the entry, we would have got stopped out too. I don't know. I think it's a winning trade. Across the board, it's a winning trade, right? It's a good trade, and we got to be happy with that. So I'm happy with this. I'm very stoked, and now I'm looking for my next entry opportunity. Okay. There we go. That's a winning trade. That's a winning trade. I'm happy with it. Good start to the day, man. A winning trade on the first trade of the day is a great start to the day. I'll take that every day. Ooh, all right. What time is it? What time is it? It's 10:50. Okay, we got about 10 minutes left in this stream. Then I'm probably gonna have to close it out for the day. And I got some other things I got to work on today and prep for next week. And then I also have an event I'm prepping for tonight. Yeah, I got a couple things I'm doing today. So we got about 10 more minutes in this stream. If you guys have any questions before the stream ends, right, I would love to answer any question you might have before we end this stream or close it out. But if you have any other questions, you know, remember, hop in the stream or in the Discord. Code is on the screen. Link is in my bio for all the stuff, right? You know, join BLOFIN. I love the exchange. It's honestly, I've tried a lot of different futures exchanges on crypto. I've tried Jupiter. I've tried Flash. I've tried MEXC. I've tried Drift. I've tried Zeta. I've tried, what else? Soul Casino. I've tried, man, I've tried a lot. BLOFIN so far is my favorite one. Now, I'm not saying that. I'm not just saying that because I'm affiliate. Like, I only got affiliation on Monday, and I've been repping them for a while now, like a month, I genuinely find it to be my favorite exchange to trade on. Like when you see me partner with someone, it's not just because I'm partnering with them because I could potentially earn funds. I partner with people because I am bullish on them, and then it also works out in our conversation. But if I'm gonna show you guys anything, it's gonna be something, one, I personally use, and two, something I actually find value in. And so I want to build that trust relationship with you guys. As you're watching this, you can trust me that I'm not just gonna shill just to shill. Like, I'm gonna shill you stuff because I really believe in it. I really find value. Spencer said, what do you think high of day could be? Let's go to 4-hour time frame. I think that, or no, day. I think the high of today, after especially what we saw in like the 4-hour and this correction, I think high of the day today could be where the candle opened yesterday, right? Or if we broke, that would be like 134.68, or the close of yesterday's candle, which was 135.46. But so far, actually, the high of the day has been 135.64. $135.64 has been the high of the day so far. Now we are negative, right? So now the question is, where will we close for the day? And I think I don't know, it's hard to tell. Let's go to the 4-hour real fast. The 4-hour has been respecting this trend line, right? And the previous high on the 4-hour is 137.9. I don't know how much time do we have left in this in our daily candle currently. Where's my, how much time do I got left in this? Countdown to bar close. Where's my time? I don't know why it's not showing me the countdown of how much time is left in this candle. When does this candle usually close? My time. I don't know. I don't know how much is. Oh wait, maybe I can check over here. The day. Let's see how much time is left. 6 hours left. So we got 2 4-hour candles left in the day. So if we go back, we had 2 4-hour candles left in the day. I think we might close around the previous close of yesterday's candle, right? I think it's going to be pretty close to 134.59, right? That'd be a good move for any scalps that we might have for the rest of the day for the long positions. I'm excited. I can't predict the future, right? That's not financial advice. That's not like guaranteed. But that's not unrealistic expectations, I think, for what price could move. Let's see on the 5-minute time frame. Where are some previous peaks? Yeah, like 130 right here, 134. That's right now from where our current price is about $1 swing. Right? That's about $1 swing, and that's possible to get that today. So I don't think that'd be. I don't think we're going green on today's candle. I think today's candle will be red. But we'll see. It's not impossible in the next 6 hours to have a 2-hour swing. I'm just excited that this ended up playing out. I'm excited for that. All right, guys. I'm gonna be calling it today for the stream. I want to first thank everyone for being active in the chats across all my platforms, man. Your guys' questions, your guys' interactions makes the stream 10 times better. And so thank you so much for being willing to chat, to like the streams, to put in your questions, to put yourself out there. I really appreciate that. And I hope it didn't fall short. And I hope you actually got some value from the stream today. And also, I just hope you have a great Wednesday, man. I hope if you're trading today, you take wins. I hope you go on a win streak for this week. I hope you hit your daily goal profits, and I hope you have rules for yourself, and I hope you have goals on what you plan on making each day, because that'll help you out a ton. So guys, thank you so much for being a part. We will see you either if you're in the Discord tomorrow morning for Morning Maniac TA, or we will see you Friday at our live stream at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, a friendly reminder for next week, we will have a Monday stream in the morning, but the rest of that week, we probably won't have any streams like technical analysis streams because we will actually be in Singapore. If anything, if we have a stream, it'll be kind of sporadic. It'll be us like live streaming on the go in Singapore. And that'll probably only be available on X. So if you want to watch those Singapore live streams that we do, follow me on X, and they'll be kind of sporadic and we'll be on Singapore time. So it'll be a little different. But yeah, next week will look different because of our trip to Singapore. And then the week after Singapore, we probably won't have any live streams because we'll be editing the vlog, and I need as much time to just grind that out and get that edited. So you guys can have that by the end of the week after Singapore. So I'm sorry for that week gap of streams, but there's a 2-man team here, and we got to sometimes, just hone in and just head down grind and get that work done. You're taking your intern to Singapore? Yep. The intern is coming to Singapore. The intern is going to be there. He's going to be capturing footage with me. He's going to be helping me edit. He's going to be helping me live stream. He's going to be helping me connect with other people. But yeah, intern is going with us. You hiring? Not currently. We got our final. I can only afford one intern right now. Maybe when our daily profits start really ripping. But right now, I am not hiring. I only got enough for one position. But I do got to say thank you guys for... Ooh, fresh coffee. I think my wife just... I totally missed that. My wife just brought me a fresh cup of coffee. Or was it the intern? Did the intern sneak up on me? I must have missed that. Intern, are you here? I thought you were at school. But yeah, no. Honestly, though, I feel really blessed that I'm even able to have an intern. And have someone go. I was gonna go solo to Singapore, but then we were able to make this all work out, and the fact that the intern's going with me, I'm even hyped, because like I'm gonna go and meet people, but like it's not fun going solo, man. It's fun bringing a homie. Originally my wife was gonna go, and I do want her to go along too, but she's in her 3rd trimester pregnancy, and airlines kind of frown on that, of a 3rd trimester lady going on an airplane. So we had to say, all right, gotta wait until next time. But when I go to other events next year, we're going to bring baby along. We're going to bring the wife along. We're going to bring the intern along, and we're going to have a little party too. And I'm hoping next year, maybe we even get a photographer with us or something. But yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to call it. We're after 11 a.m. now. No, we just hit 11 a.m. So that's like perfect. But yeah, you'll only be sick though, Beard. You just gave me an idea. Maybe by next year, when we have events start coming, maybe we have a little bit better revenue in the company, but maybe we can like give away like Singapore, Solana Breakpoint tickets, or like, a flight to New York City for NFT NYC. Like that would be sick, actually. Like we do giveaways of that stuff. I don't know. I feel like that'd be kind of cool. Or either it's like we'll buy your flight, or you get a cash prize equivalent to what the flight would cost. That would be actually sick. That's a good idea. Take note. And take note. Intern, if you're watching, can you take a note of that? Dude, I love having him on my team. Now I could have a team member help me out with that kind of stuff. It's not just me, solo bolo, all right, guys, I gotta end this. I do actually have to end it eventually. All right, so have a great Wednesday. Thank you again. Check out our link tree. Hop in the Discord. Hop in BLOFIN. At least just sign up for BLOFIN and just check it out. There's demo trading if you want to just practice on theirs. They have demo trading right here. We are in actual futures trading. We're not in demo trade, but yeah, they got a lot of stuff. They got copy trading, spot trading, markets, buy crypto, all sorts of different stuff. So okay, I gotta go. I gotta end this. I keep saying that. But all right, everyone. Love you guys. Have a great rest of your Wednesday. I will see you Friday.